Have you ever wondered how often science misinterprets the unknown? Interpreting the unknown through ideological frameworks. Let's explore this important issue in the philosophy of science, the risk of interpreting the unknown through ideological frameworks rather than open inquiry. First, let's talk about interpreting the unknown as useless or imperfect. Throughout history, many things once considered vestigial or useless have later been found to have vital functions. First, the appendix, once thought to serve no purpose, actually supports gut flora and plays a role in immunity. Second, what scientists call junk DNA is now known to regulate gene expression and perform essential cellular tasks. Even the coccyx, or tailbone, acts as a crucial anchor for muscles and ligaments. Here's the problem: declaring something useless based on ignorance reflects scientific immaturity. This approach risks creating confirmation bias to support existing narratives, like evolution. Once a function is discovered, interpretations often shift to fit the evolutionary framework. For example, if an organ is initially seen as useless, it's labeled as a vestigial remnant of evolution. This kind of circular reasoning makes evolution unfalsifiable in some cases, an issue that conflicts with the scientific principle of testability. To be scientific, a hypothesis must be testable and capable of being proven wrong. Declaring something imperfect simply because we don't understand it? That's not science. Let's look at examples of misinterpretation due to ignorance. Junk DNA, initially dismissed as non-functional, plays critical roles in regulation and structure. Another example concerns the so-called vestigial traits, such as the human appendix, have essential purposes. And biochemical systems, like the bacterial flagellum, challenge ideas of imperfect evolution due to their irreducible complexity. So, what does a more mature scientific approach look like? First, avoid premature conclusions. Investigate exhaustively before labeling something as useless. Second, separate observations from interpretations. Record data without ideological assumptions. And finally, don't limit your scientific approach inside ideological frameworks and stick to facts. Faith in evolution or in creation is not part of the scientific results, they are part of the personal interpretation. This broadens scientific inquiry and strengthens our understanding. The history of science teaches us that interpreting the unknown as useless or imperfect reflects human limitations, not reality. Progress comes from humility, curiosity, and the courage to challenge prevailing paradigms. By embracing these principles, we move closer to genuine truth-seeking.